Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB40 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this initialization of the speaker for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your device or it's not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, if you're having any issues like that where it's not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this up on a new device or just for whatever reason you want to delete everything off of it so you can set it up like you're just taking it out of the box new, we can go ahead and restore those out of the box defaults quite easily. Now the speaker needs to be on for this to work, and with the speaker on we're just going to come in and press and hold the volume down button, and immediately after that we're just going to come and continue to press and hold the power pairing button. And holding those two buttons simultaneously, we're just going to hold them for at least 5 seconds until the reset is complete. When it is complete, the speaker will power off and we can let go of both buttons, and then we can just come in and press the power button again to turn it on and set it up like a new speaker.